Today I come up with a new content. Before starting this video, I need a promise from your side. I know you, not you. I have asked so many times. You have to do the promise to me so that you are going to read, write each and everything, but you are not following it. I know that. And I know the reason as well. Why? Because of this weather condition. Second point, because of the disturbance at home. Third, if you plan to study also, you can't able to focus. Okay, so in this video I am with a new content, plus I am very serious towards this video. I'm not just posting and I am not going to sit at one place. No, at the end of this video you are going to get an idea what this video is all about. Okay, so let's start it. So welcome to the video again. So today I told you that I am going to give you a very powerful content that we are going to follow. I said we, I didn't say you. Okay, so we are going to follow. How you can able to follow that? So before starting this, I asked a promise, and you don't have a choice. You have to make a promise, either hook or crook. So first point, make a promise. How? Which promise you have to do this? Don't promise to your mom, don't promise to your dad, to your friend, or to me. Promise to your own self. What's that? So here, as you all know, we are finally schools are going to start at 1st Jan. Okay, in the 1st January we are at school. We are going to learn so many things. I don't think so. Okay, and you are going to crack your doubts. Why? Because in front of you, your favorite teachers or your subject teachers will be there, so that you can come up with lot of doubts and you can answer questions. If you have watched my previous video, I used to say one thing again and again. What's that? I used to say कि you have to make a column. Okay, so you have to divide each section in which topic you are finding difficulty. Okay, so that whenever you are at school, you can able to ask the questions. Okay, that's the first thing. So here, the first tip that you have to follow and you have to implement to yourself, that is, take a paper and write down the doubts. Now you may ask the question, ma'am, just now you said we didn't start the study. You know the reason, because of this weather condition. If I went to study, someone will come, or lot of distractions because my parents are working from home, and there are so many relatives because of this holiday season. Okay, the whole year is in holiday, but that's the thing you are going to say me. So the here is what to do, how I or you can able to crack the doubts. In the 1st Jan, schools are finally started, and that you have to take it as a positive note. Okay, there are so many students will think okay, chalo theek hai, finally schools are going to start, so that I can go to school, I can hang out with my friends, I can talk to them, and I may know how much my competitor have studied. But you're fooling to your own self. Be a selfish. Selfish? Yeah, you have to be a selfish. How you can be a selfish? Read for yourself. Not just read, just see your own body, how you are. Are you physically fit? Good. If you are physically fit, that's enough. What about your mentally? Are you fit enough, or how much knowledge do you have? Is it fine, or you need extra knowledge? Yes, you should occupy a lot of knowledge. Why? Because in this today's world, you can't sit at a corner and you can't say I am going to crack this exam, I am going to get higher marks. No, it's not everyone's cup of tea. So for that, first thing, yes, make a note. Second thing, be a selfish. Read for yourself. Just say a question to yourself, I am going to be a selfish. Yeah, kabhi kabhi selfish hona, it's also good. There are so many people, those who can't think for themselves. Okay, you just take an example of your mom. Your mom always used to think for yourself, right? What you like, what's your favorite food, when you are going to come from the school, so that she can prepare a hot tea or coffee. Or you are sitting at home, you are not going to the kitchen. I can agree that, because you became too lazy, so that you can't able to go and take your own cup of glass of water. Okay, so you became a lazy. Did your mom become a lazy? No, she is doing her own work. She is working day and night. She is waking up early in the morning. She is preparing a breakfast, and as well as with the breakfast, we need a hot tea because of this weather. And as well as there are so many persons, those who like tea or coffee, so that mom won't say no to them, right? But does she become a selfish? No. Why? Because she wants you to be a selfish. Okay. First of all, be a selfish. Think for yourself. What you are reading, is it enough? The second point, if you didn't started your preparation, this is the time to start. From past 2 months I am telling the same thing, start preparing. But when I saw your answer papers, oh my god, I am in a dilemma. Like, what's this? My efforts are going useless. No one was focusing their life, so I am not going to leave you at all. So what to do? So be a selfish. I think you got this point clearly. Think about your mom, think about your dad. He is also working day and night. He is going in this cold weather. Okay, so you have to do that. Then next over here, promise. Yes, so here the best point comes, that you have to make a promise to your own self. Don't promise to your mom, don't promise to your dad, or no one. I don't need your promise. I need a complete promise to yourself. Okay, so don't just say, okay, I'll do the promise, ma'am, I'm going to read from tomorrow. But tomorrow at 8 a.m. you're waking up, but you're not studying. Believe me, I have personally faced it. I thought, okay, so yeah, I'll tell you the truth. From 2 days I'm waking at the 8 a.m. okay, but it's not working. Okay, I'm just wasting all day. And you may have noticed that I'm not posting a videos. Why? Because I am slowly become a lazy sloth. But I don't want to be like a sloth. Okay, those who don't know about the sloth, SLOTH, go and search it. So now you have to make a promise that you are going to be a selfish. Because if you are not promising to yourself, if you are not promising right now, sorry, you can't able to do anything. Next, how to complete and what to complete. This is my main content over here. What's the date today? Today is 21st December, right? And we just have limited days to complete this year, not the syllabus, to complete this year. Finally we can say bye bye to the 2020. Okay, but do we have any idea ki Jan, in the 1st Jan the schools are going to be open. In the 1st Jan you are going to enter in the school. In the 1st Jan only you are in a confusion mode. What's that? When your teacher, oh my god, I am only going to ask you a lot of questions and you are not able to answer it, and you are also having a doubt. Okay, ma'am, ask this question, does the answer is okay or I have to work it on it? And you will say, ma'am, I have to write the notes. And you will say, ma'am, I didn't get the notes. Right now in this time also you are telling the same thing. Okay, you are telling, I didn't get the time, I didn't have a notes, or else I didn't have resources. Hold on, you are in this age, in the technology is improving. It's improving like anything, and you are saying you doesn't have a note. Okay, everyone are sending their notes, everyone have did their work. I'm talking about the teachers. And what about you? You didn't study it, you are just writing. Okay, and you are not studying it. So here the promise I need from yourself: first promise, to be a selfish; second promise, complete each and every syllabus. Yes, try to complete. I know it's very difficult to complete it because there are so many sloth, those who are listening to it, they can't able to work on it. I can agree, because you don't have that resources, you don't have someone to push you, but I am here. I am going to push you whenever you need a help. Okay, so here what you have to do: you have to complete the syllabus. It's not difficult, but it's not easy, I can understand. Okay, but you have to complete the syllabus. How? And I said what to complete. If we come to our favorite subject, that is English, so in English the most difficult word, that is grammar. Okay, so if you have completed the grammar, then again some question will come and you will be in a confusion mode ki, okay, is this a correct answer, because you can't write paragraph in a grammar. So again you have to practice it. So grammar and math, there are so many formulas that you have to mug up, or you have to work on it, right? So for that you have to complete it, and you have to make promise to yourself ki I am going to complete it. Okay, there are so many students, at least they have started. I know you have started, at least 10% of syllabus you have tried to complete it, but what about 90%? Try to do it now. Don't read each thing, just try to read. Keep one day for social, keep one day for math, keep one day for science, keep one day for your favorite subject. Which subjects you are feeling difficulty, try to wake up early in the morning and try to read it. And now it's a question mark in your mind: oh my god, in this cold weather I can't able to wake up early in the morning, ma'am, so please change this. No, I am not going to change it. What I am going to do, I am going to be with you. Okay, so what I am going to do daily, or else 4:30 a.m. Okay, yeah, I am very serious. Okay, so 4:30 a.m., 4 a.m. or 4:30 or 5 last, 5 a.m. is the last. So 5 a.m. I am going to on the net, I am going to come to my channel, visit to this video, and I am going to hit a like button, or else I am going to comment that present. Yes, so I am going to rate you, see how many of you are going to be with me. Okay, I need your support. I need you to be in an extraordinary way. I need you to be in another level. Don't be in the same level. Okay, so for that what we have to do? Try to wake up early in the morning. For that what you have to do? Try to sleep as soon as possible. Don't chit chat with your friends. Okay, those who have a girlfriend or boyfriend, say bye bye to them. Okay, it's common to be like this, but if you have them, I just spoke about the GF and BF, those who have them, so please say no to them. At least if your partner is that much mature, so that he or she can able to agree, or she can able to accept, okay, the education is very important and this 3 months is very important for you, so that you can, she or he is going to help you. I am definitely assure you. So try to ask permission with him or her. Okay, try to convince him or her. I am not telling just go and say bye bye to your boyfriend or girlfriend. Okay, so you can ask to them if that person is mature enough. If again they are not listening, अरे यार छोड़ना, पढ़ के क्या करेंगे, say bye to that idiot. Okay, नहीं चाहिए, वैसा बंदा ही नहीं चाहिए हमको. ठीक है, so you have to say no to that particular person. Okay, so have to complete. Try to wake up early in the morning. I am going to get up and I am going to write in the comment section below in now itself present, so that 4:30 a.m. if I am wake up, present, and then how many hours did I dedicated for my studies, I am also going to upload there. I am going to write over there ki 5 hours I read, 16 hours. Okay, I know it's very much difficult to read for 16 hours, but we can try, yeah. Okay, so all is well. Okay, then the next, yeah, I told you that December 22nd to 31st, so we have to make oath for yourself, ourselves, okay, that I am going to make a promise that I am going to complete this particular topic or particular syllabus. Okay, so as you all know, okay, I am also preparing for something, so that I am also going to be prepared. If I am not preparing, also I am going to wake up early in the morning, because I don't want you to feel lonely. I am here, and please don't just listen to this video and don't just go back and be in your own stuff. If you are doing that, you are not doing well, you are not doing good. It's my humble request to be present and think for this video, think whatever I am telling. Okay, then the next, Jan to March. Okay, so when you have finished the syllabus, what's next? When you are entering the schools, you have to fix in your mind, I have cleared each and everything, I have cleared the topics, and I am ready to ask the questions to my ma'am. So that you have to enter, and whenever you have a doubt, try to ask your ma'am or sir. Okay, and then try to solve the previous year question papers. This is a most important tip and trick that we have to use it. Okay, so yeah, this is all about today's video. I hope in this small video gave you little bit of knowledge कि you have to study, because we are in near to the exam. Don't think कि यार lockdown है, so that we can able to easily crack the exam, because I have seen my seniors, I am talking about you, okay, and I have seen my seniors, they didn't study at their exam, and now they are in a first class. Good for them. What about you? We don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so we have to do our best, and I am ready to do that. So I need your support. Please support me. Please try to read, and please, it's my humble request, try to read and try to wake up early in the morning and try to ask your mom and dad, so that you are going to wake up. If you wake up early in the morning, they are going to be in a happy mode. Finally, my son or daughter is in a mood to study. Okay, so this is all about the videos. Till then, take care, respect your parents, and we'll meet in a next video and in the comment section. Thank you.